Alright, I'm just making a quick video on this Harbor Freight winch from Harbor Freight. The Badlands 2500, the cheapest one they sell. It used to be a lot cheaper than it is now, but I just wanted to go over it again. It stopped working on me yesterday, but the reason why isn't because the motor went bad or the box. What actually happened to me this time was the wire that I bought at Amazon. I'll show you. It right, you see where all those new wire looms are? It rotted. Like literally rotted where the two pieces came together, where the original wire and the wire from Amazon came together. At first I thought it was the Amazon wire, which I guess to an extent it was as well, but it was mainly the actual wire for this stupid winch. This wire is so cheap. Because after I fixed the wire down there, this thing still didn't want to work, and in fact, it turned out the connector for the negative, it literally broke right off. The copper wire turned to it was like a powder almost, complete crap. So I had luckily a connector with about 2 inches of real good clean copper, and I was able to, slice a piece of this casing off, expose the copper, and smush the two pieces together with one of them connectors. You just cut the end off of it, and then you can use that part, the round part, to smash the two wires together. And then I put shrink wrap over it, but it's still very touchy because when I first did it, it was kind of finicky. So besides the fact that the first one I had, the motor went bad on me, right? This one, the wiring literally started to decay away, and it's been on there since November. So it went through the winter. It's June now. June what, 8th? So I don't know, 5. I guess 8 months already. But still, I mean, I went to use it yesterday, and it started to pull up, and then all of a sudden it died. I'm like, what the hell? Because here's the free tractor I got in Homedale, very close to Seaside, Sandy Hook. A little bit further up 35, I would have been at Sandy Hook. So it was Homedale. And by the way, the tractor is in mint condition. The battery's old. I'm gonna take it off now and charge it. But I guarantee you, as soon as I put gas in this and you either jump it or just charge it and put a battery in it, it's going to start right up. It's going to be a quick clean wash, super quick tune-up. I'll have this baby ready in a day. I think as is, without a bag, it's worth $800. And hold on, let me see, can I put this? Nah, battery's too low. If I put a bag on it, it's worth $1,000, $1,100, and I do have a 3-bin bagger I might be able to put on it. It's in overall nice shape, though. It's overall really nice shape. It's just, seat's got a couple cracks on it, but I'll use the Dynaflex on that. That's no big deal. And yeah, no, that's mainly it. And then just a good wash. But here, let me just make sure now. On, out. Hang on 1 second. And in. Good. All right. So that's good. All right. It's fixed for now, but that's the thing. So that's why I said I don't recommend buying the cheapest one they sell. If you're gonna buy one from there, get the next one up, the nicer one, or just don't buy it at Harbor Freight. Because after I hooked the wire back up, the stupid box was clicking. The solenoid in the box was clicking. It wasn't doing nothing. And then finally, I'm looking at it and I'm going, I'm touching this connector and I'm going, huh? I don't even feel the wire against it anymore. So I was like, oh, okay. Well, what a piece of shit that was. So that wire is really bad. I mean, you can put your own wire in, right? I bought that Amazon wire. I still have plenty enough of that left. If I had this completely change this shit over. I mean, I think the main reason it got bad over here is because it got exposed. I'm going to put a little bit more electric tape on the bolt of these just to be careful. But see, this one now, you got to be careful it doesn't get hit or anything, because if it does and it breaks, I'm screwed again. So, but it's fixed for now. So that's why I said first one had to go back because the motor was shoddy and I only used it a couple times, so that was like that from the get-go. One of them had a bad remote, and then this one, the wiring started to go bad. Now I don't know if that Amazon wiring was also not that great, but I don't know. I'm just letting you know my experience. So in general, I wouldn't recommend this super cheap one. All right. So that's the update on that. Now, June 2022. Originally purchased in August 2021. Oh my God, we're already 2 months away from August already? Holy cow. Where's the time going this year? Oh my God. Oh, wow. All right, guys, later.